Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to erase all content and settings on your iPhone. Let's get started. This process will delete all content on your device, including apps, photos, messages, and personal data. Ensure you back up your important data before beginning. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Now, scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, select Erase all content and settings. You will see a screen displaying what will be removed. Tap Continue. Enter your iPhone passcode to proceed. If asked, enter your Apple ID password to. Turn off Find My iPhone and disable Activation Lock. Your iPhone will now begin the reset process. It may take a few minutes to erase everything and restart. Once complete, your iPhone will reboot and display the welcome screen, just as it did when it was brand new. That's it. You've successfully erased all content and settings from your iPhone. If this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.